Okay, we're visiting some family in Indiana, and here's their bedroom fan, one of their bedroom fans.
Oh, you want to look outside?
And
We better wait on Mommy. I don't want you to get hurt.
let's see if I can get
Things last year too.
right under here. There we go.
Nice to get well.
And it's getting a slowing down. This is a 5-bladed fan with 3 light bulbs. And it's got some nice sunshine coming through here. And always my favorite, being able to see the shadows with it. Oh, and I thought, this is kind of a long spin down, Levi. I thought it might be a little bit shorter. We are coming through Spencer, Indiana, heading towards Indianapolis, and our final destination is Zionsville, because we're going to Fanimation Museum tomorrow for Levi's birthday. Here we go. There, goodness. When I committed to this video, I had no idea it was going to be such a great long spin down. Everybody else is visiting in the other room, and here I am making my ceiling fan video for Levi. And I'm being called, and that's it. Have a great day.